Sup, my rainbows? I am here hosting my own rare Galaxy beta party. So, today I'm just going to be playing around and trading people, maybe. I don't know. Sup, rainbows? It's me. Rainbow. Sup, rainbows? It's me, Rainbow. I'm very magenta today. Okay, I'll trade you. Okay, I'll trade you. I'm like a creep. Okay. You have nothing I want on trade. Sorry. Well, since I need to do a mail time soon, but like, what? Somebody trade me. What do you has on trade? There's nothing rare. Or beta. You have nothing beta. That's not even beta, it's just a pink lamb. It's not even pink. You're trying to trick us up in here. What happens if I leave the party? Like, so, I'm just gonna pretend like I'm recording a video. Yeah. I has them. Ours and mine's rare. I don't know if they're rare. They're not rare. I have pink ones. I have pink ones. Not rare. Not rare. But worth much. I'm surprised there's so many people here. But worth much. So much. By the way, I'm being weird because I can't spell. I'm recording. By the way, I'm being weird because I'm recording. Who wants YouTube? Sunglasses. I don't want your sunglasses. I don't want your sunglasses. I ain't want your sunglasses. I'm gonna turn into my sloth and roast myself. Because I want to roast myself. I haven't roasted myself in so long. But I literally have the best roast for a party. Boy, what do you look like that? Oh my god, he's gonna hate me after this video. Boy, what do you look... Okay, this is not true or anything. But here we go. Boy, why do you look like that evil kid from Toy Story? Oh my god, no offense to Partai or anything. The links are still here. Where are the sleuths? Can I please have a sleuth? Oh, I wanted a sleuth. Next. I don't even care what the name is, because I want to get a sleuth. I want another sleuth. It's a Ches hat in a fez. No. Yes, I would like to buy that. Please. Please, what do you want? Please. Hello, my name is Please. Please, can I have a cheeseburger? Yeah, okay, I need my cheese. I need to make a magenta slot. Right now, all my animals are gonna be magenta. Cause I'm, oh my gosh. I forgot some top hats look like that on the slots. It's funny. It's really funny. Just gonna make this whole thing magenta. So I want to make it look creepy. I really just want to have a creepy magenta slot. Yeah, that's the best. Glitches. Those glitches though. I did play, not sleep. Roast yourself. I really want to yell out. Get roasted. Get roasted, sleuth. Get roasted, sleuth. Oh my gosh. Okay, I need to like get roasted. Can I please get roasted? Trading in my den. No one cares. Stop advertising at a party. Get roosted, sleuth. I can't see sleuth right now. Trade my pet. What do you have on your trades? I can't click a list of den betas on trade. Yes, Wolf Girl, I will befriend you. Wolf Girl, no! Why do you do this to me? I want this. I will legitimately give you this stuff. Some rares. And if you accept, I will try to buddy you, but I know you're going to decline this. Because it's not fair. Oh my gosh, that's so weird. Please, it's my dream item. I'm not kidding, it's my dream item. Pretty please. Pretty please. It's my dream item. It's my dream item. And no one cares. I'm recording. And no one cares I'm recording? No one cares. I tried. I have 1 subscriber. That's going somewhere. Isn't it? I gave you a den beta for a den beta. This one's rarer than that one. I know what I have to do. I know what I have to give you a beta pet. Oh, I never checked these. They like nuts. Okay. This is so weird. I'll give you a beta pet, maybe. If I can make one. Yeah, who cares? No one cares right now. Oh. Do I want to do that? No. Accept this trade. Wow, you're recording. Yes, I am. Yes, I am. Yes, I am. And he doesn't wanna trade me my dream item. And he doesn't want to trade me my dream item. How rude. A fancy top hat and a freedom hat. It's 'cause it's a top hat. It's 'cause it's a top hat. Watch me get Oh! Do you want a top hat for that? Do you want one? Do you want a top hat for that? Werehog. Can you please? No. What? No way. Why do we even have my custom top hat on trade? It's mine. Bentley, what do you have on trade? You have lame stuff. No, I'm just kidding. You have a neon bow. Awkward. Give me your beta computer. If any of you are watching want to give me something for my mail time, give me a beta computer. I'm not saying I need a bunch of them, but I've been really wanting one for a really long time. And no one's ever traded me. Can you, like, someone trade me a beta computer, please? I can make this go on as long as I want. Because I can, and I will. Dance. Trade me beta computer. I'm recording. Dance. Can I dance with my little links? Shadow links be my new main look. Trade me Metron trade. Is that a helmet? What is your flower crown called? Trade me a beta computer. Trade me Metron. Ooh, I like your angel helmet. Ooh, I want to see that glitch with the... I need to collect stuff so I can trade that dude. If you want to be in a video, man, you gotta accept this. No, not my warrant. That's my only warrant I have. Please accept. Please? Pretty please? No one cares. What do you want? Trade me an alpha sword. No one cares. Sorry if I decline. What do you have on trade? Cute panda. They're all really bad rares. Can't click trade me beta computer. Here. Trade me. My dream item. Please. My dream item. Please. I'm not kidding. I'm not lying right now. That's my dream item. Seriously, my dream item. No one cares. Trade me, sorry if I decline. I as well as accept. Yeah, no, that's not happening. Yeah. Like, give me better, please. Plus, I'm gonna do a mail time next, so you guys might wanna get your gifts in. Okay, can you hurry up and trade me, please? Can you trade me? What are you trying to do? I will accept. Not for my top hat. Just trade me much on trade. No one cares. Scene Podgy. Oh my gosh. With big cats. People are actually gonna do that. I know it. Please. 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 I know I'm not as rare as I look. I only have beta computer. Not my top hat. No, not my top hat. Sorry. Just like sorry. I'm about to waste all my recording time. I'm not doing it for my top hat. I don't even know why I have it on trade. What's up with all my rares disappearing? Can't click me beta computer. Here. Just like here. Be like, hurry. Please. I really don't want to have to do this. No. I'm just gonna keep saying. Trade me. I dream item play. Fly like a birdie. Fly like a birdie. No. I really need to take this off my trade list. I know it's for a good cause, but I really want to keep them. For my spike. Sorry. Something else. I'm sorry, something else. Please hurry. My record time is running out. What? How about your list and no spike? What the heck is my list? Okay.